Hi everyone, my name is Efren and today I'll be showing you how to navigate OASIS. So you can access OASIS by going to students.ucdavis.edu and you'll be prompted to log in with your UC Davis ID. So here we are on the home page and you can see there's just some basic announcements, important quarter dates, and here are some links to some useful resources and websites. So we'll start out by clicking on Academic Record. Here you can see all the classes you've taken and all the units that you've gotten and grades you've been awarded for it. So for example, here, analytical geometry, it says that you got 5 units and you got an A, and you got GE credits for science and engineering. And here you can just see all the different things that you have taken in the past or are currently taking. Next, we have exams and events. So this basically shows the exams that you've taken in the past and what they have been used for. For example, you can also see AP tests and IB tests and maybe like tests you've taken on campus to be exempt from something. Next, we have prerequisites, and this will basically tell you if you need to complete a prerequisite for a class. Academic history, this just shows what you've done in the past in terms of major and your academic standing. So you can see if you've ever been in good standing or not in good standing, or if you ever changed your major. You can find all that information under academic histories. Next, we have advising record. So here is documents. That's the first click. And there you can find any documents that you've been given or received from advising appointments or something. And appointment history. So this is where you can find any appointments you've had with advisors in the past. It's just a way to keep track of what you did and why you did it. Next, we have degree worksheets. Under degree worksheets, we have lots of different plans for academic plans that you can follow. Basically, you can find any worksheet and pull it up. For example, we'll go here and find food science. Click on that. Let's go food science track. Let's click on that. And so here you can see all the courses that are required for the major. And actually, if you've taken these courses, it'll automatically load everything when you press populate courses if you've taken the classes. So then it's a great way to check what you've taken and what you still need to take. Next, we have forms and petitions. So this is an important page. This is how you will be in contact with your advisor most of the time. So you can, here on My Forms, it'll show you forms that you've submitted or forms that you have drafts of that you're planning to complete. You can keep track of everything here. And next we have Submit a New Form. So there's a lot of options here. For example, if you want to change your major, if you want to go over the unit cap or have a minor or do an academic plan, all these forms are here. So we'll click on academic plan. And so here you can actually plan out your schedule. So for example, fall quarter, let's just say I want to take FST 10. So you could just search FST 10 here, click that, and there we go. It'll say 3 units. So usually if you're already taking classes in the current quarter, will get filled up, and then you can just plan the rest of your year, and then you can add more years, and you can even add summer sessions. And then you can save the draft. You can also write notes here for the advisor to read, and then when you submit it, it'll be submitted to the advisor of the department you chose. So let's go back. Next, we have GPA charts and tools. Here you can find lots of statistics about your GPA history, GPA per subject, where you can compare yourself to other subjects, average GPA per major. You can compare your grade point average to others in your major based on the average. You can find, and there's also 2 tabs that says What If GPA and GPA Calculator, and this basically lets you predict what your GPA is based on what kind of grades you get. And that's all for OASIS. Thanks for listening, and I hope that this helped.